Hi, Vanakkam and welcome to Yeshwan's Kitchen. I am your Yeshwan. Today we are going to make watermelon mocktail. Watermelon is available in the supermarket throughout the year. However, they are best during summer. Watermelon is the best fruit to beat the heat. So it is a better idea to make watermelon mocktail and serve your kids instead of regular juices. Before we move on to the recipe, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell to get regular updates from Yeshwan's Kitchen. To make watermelon mocktail, we have watermelon, beetroot, lemon, ginger, cumin powder, chili powder and black salt. Let's cut the watermelon into small pieces. Grate the beetroot. Grate the ginger. Blend all these three ingredients together with the help of blender. Now the juice is ready, let's strain it. Take a serving glass. Squeeze lemon, add cumin powder, add chili powder, black salt, pour the juice into it and mix it well. Let's garnish it with sliced watermelon. Ice and sugar are optional. I recommend honey instead of sugar. Now I'm going to taste it. It has a unique taste that I am not able to explain, but I am sure you will love it. I hope you enjoyed my watermelon mocktail. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. We'll meet you with an interesting recipe again. Until then, bye from Yeshwan.